Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this guide is for you. Today, I'm diving into Docker Networking 101, from basics to advanced. We'll cover everything you need to know to master Docker networking. If you've ever wondered how Docker containers talk to each other, you're in the right place. Understanding this is crucial for building scalable and efficient applications. First up, what is Docker Network? It's a fundamental concept that allows containers to communicate with each other and the outside world. Simply put, it's a way to connect your Docker containers so they can communicate. This is essential for microservices architecture. Think of it as the bridge that allows containers to share data and services seamlessly. Without it, your containers would be isolated and unable to interact. There are different types of Docker networks, each serving a unique purpose. You've got bridge networks, the go-to for most use cases, usually local development. They are easy to set up and perfect for testing. Host networks, which share the host's networking stack. This is useful for performance optimization. And overlay networks, perfect for multi-host communication. These are ideal for distributed systems. Creating a Docker network is super straightforward. You can do it with just a few commands. Just run and bingo. You've got yourself a network. It's that simple. Now, how do you connect Docker containers to a network? This is where the magic happens. Use. This command links your container to the network. Easy, right? But it gets even better. You can manage and inspect your networks with a variety of commands. Docker network commands are your best friends. They help you manage, inspect, and troubleshoot your networks. Commands like to list networks or to check the details. These commands give you a clear view of your network status and configuration. You can always check Docker network status to see what's happening under the hood. Alright, let's pivot to Dockerizing an application. This is where Docker truly shines. First, build a Docker image using a Docker file. This file contains all the instructions needed to create the image. Run, and you've got an image ready to go. This image can be used to create containers. Next, to run a Docker container, use. This command starts your container in detached mode. Want to expose your container? This is crucial for making your application accessible. Use the flag like this. This maps the container's port to the host. Now your app is accessible from the outside world. This is essential for web applications. Now your app is accessible from the outside world. This is essential for web applications. Let's talk about Docker Hub. It's a powerful tool for sharing and storing Docker images. Docker Hub is a cloud repository where you can store and share Docker images. It's like GitHub, but for Docker. Creating a Docker Hub account is simple. It allows you to share your images with the community. Just head to hub.docker.com and sign up. It's free and easy to get started. To upload a Docker image to Docker Hub, first tag your image with, then push it using. This uploads your image to Docker Hub, and voila, your image is online. Now anyone can pull and use your image. Finally, a shout out to Edureka Rewind. It's a fantastic resource for staying updated. Check out Edureka Rewind events to stay updated on the latest in tech. They offer a wealth of knowledge. Their videos and courses are top-notch for continuous learning. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep coding. Smash that like button if you found this helpful and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Your support helps us create more content. Catch you in the next one. Happy coding and Dockerizing. Please subscribe.